Hi everyone and welcome back. We all know I am the real _ curly girl, formerly known as Candace Renee. So I have been MIA, but as you can see, this is why. I have had a protective style. I have some box braids that I got about 3 weeks ago. I'm surprised I'm still holding on because everybody knows I like to wash my hair, comb through my hair, do something to my hair weekly. So I went and got some box braids with the triangle parts, if you can see. It's not as defined as it was when I first got them done, but I can post some pictures. My boo Jasmine did it. So I live in South Carolina and I went all the way to North Carolina to let her braid my hair. But that's one thing about me. I will go where the services are good when it comes to my hair. So I just wanted to come on today and do literally a short tutorial of some different hairstyles that I've been wearing with my braids to kind of be cute, keep them out of my way when I'm at work, or even when I'm at home and relaxing, or even when I put my bonnet on at night. So let's go straight into it so I can show you some of my favorite styles, and maybe you guys can start wearing them if you haven't already. Guys, one thing that I did forget to tell you guys is what I've been doing to clean my scalp and maintain it as far as like nourishment, keeping it refreshed, keeping it oiled. I went and bought this new product by Cantu. It's the new Cantu Shea Butter. Refresh apple cider vinegar, dry co-wash plus tea tree oil, and of course you know it has the no sulfates, parabens, the silicones, and the mineral oil. But I like this. It's like an aerosol can. Like I just shake it up and I just spray in between my parts, and I like to feel the refreshing feel after the fact, and I don't get that because it has tea tree oil in it, but I do get it once I spray it on my parts. So anytime my hair is itching, guys, I go running for this can and I just go spraying away. Will I use it again if I ever have braids? Yes. Do I recommend it? Yes. It was like $4 or maybe even $2, but I really do like it, and it does tame down my itch when my hair is itching. So I definitely like this product. I definitely have been using it. Like it's halfway gone, and I think I've had it for like a week and a half. And then the other products that I've been using to oil my scalp is my essential peppermint oil and my essential tea tree oil. So whichever one I grab out of my bag, that's the one I'm using, and I mix it with olive oil because these are pure essential oils. So you need to have a base for it because you don't want to mess up the pH of your hair or your scalp. And I just go to work. So I'll oil my scalp maybe like every 4 to 5 days, or of course if I see danger or flaking because I haven't been able to wash my hair. So between these two and this, that is how I've been getting through my 3 weeks. So I just wanted to let you guys know that little bit before I get ready to show you the hairstyle. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. as always, thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.